General performance has traditionally been the most important class of design characteristics of a fighter aircraft, as it enables a fighter to gain a favorable position to use its weapons while rendering the enemy unable to use theirs. In this video, we will talk about the 5th generation fighter aircrafts. Let's get into the details. The 5th generation fighter aircrafts is the current standard naming convention for next generation fighter aircraft. While there are no truly defined widely accepted features of this breed, the aircraft considered for the title often utilize proven features of the 4th generation fighter designs, and introduce all new levels of performance. The most important design elements of a 5th generation fighter aircraft is its stealth features, designed to avoid detection using a variety of technologies that reduce reflection of radar, infrared, visible light and radio frequency spectrum. Its skins made with radar absorbent materials, and in order to minimize their radar cross-section, all 5th generation fighters used chins, instead of standard leading edge extensions, and lack canards, and they all have twin-canted vertical tails, similar to a V-tail. They all have internal weapon bays, in order to avoid high radar cross-section weapon pylons, but they all have external hardpoints on their wings for use on non-stealthy missions, and they have a high percentage of composite materials, in order to reduce weight and radar cross-section. Fifth generation fighter aircraft uses active electronically scanned array radars, which is able to operate in multiple modes at the same time, and detect multiple targets as well. The active electronically scanned array radar is a more advanced and sophisticated second generation of the original passive electronically scanned array technology. It can radiate multiple beams of radio waves at multiple frequencies simultaneously, and can spread their signal emissions across a wider range of frequencies, which makes them more difficult to detect over background noise, allowing aircraft to radiate powerful radar signals while still remaining stealthy. To form a consolidated view of the battle space, 5th generation aircrafts integrates the most sophisticated onboard software, and uses commercial off-the-shelf main processors to directly control all sensors, and also it has automatic target tracking technology, and equipped with advanced avionics. The combination of stealthy airframes, stealthy sensors, and stealthy communications is designed to allow 5th generation fighters to engage other aircraft before those targets are aware of their presence. Some 5th generation aircraft like the F-22 and Su-57 has the ability to supercruise. Supercruise means it can fly supersonic speed without using its afterburner, and it has thrust vectoring nozzles. It enables to execute supermaneuverability, which is more advantage in a dogfight scenario. However, some 4.5 generation fighter aircraft have already some features of a 5th generation fighters, such as Eurofighter Typhoon, JAS Gripen, and Su-35, upgraded and incorporate the active electronically scanned array radars, supercruise, and thrust vector, but they lack to have the ability of being stealthy, which makes the 5th generation aircraft ahead of the game. And also the 5th generation F-35 Lightning II aircrafts doesn't have the capability to supercruise without using its afterburner, and it doesn't have thrust vectoring nozzles. Here are the list of types of 5th generation fighter aircrafts. The Sukhoi Su-57, Shenyang FC-31, Chengdu J-20, Lockheed Martin F-35 Lightning II, and Lockheed Martin F-22 Raptor. And also Japan has experimenting 5th gen fighter aircraft called Shinshin, Mitsubishi X2. Countries like India, South Korea, Turkey, Sweden, and Pakistan are developing their 5th gen fighters as well. If you have feedback, please comment below. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe.